Hey y'all, it's Chy'Ann Galore. We're designing faith and more, and thank you for tuning to another video. We will be learning how to make an image glow within 3 steps. It's really simple. And if you want to continue to see this content, please like, comment, subscribe, but let's get into the tutorial. So we're going to press open, choose an image. I will be using this one. Then we are going to unlock this layer right here. Then we're going to select subject, Control C to copy, and Control V to paste. Then go to the text tool, type in whatever you want. I'm going to be using a random name, Fuse. Scale it. Then we're going to move the text layer in between the layers, and then you can move it elsewhere. Next, we are going to press on the first layer, then hold Shift and click on the last layer. Use Control E to merge the layers. This next step, you are going to have to download the action in the description below. It's free, and I'm so happy that I found it. Make sure the layer is highlighted. Let me show you how to import the action. So you're gonna go to Window and press Actions. This box should appear. Then go to these 4 lines, say Import Actions, click on the downloaded asset, and then press Load. Then it will appear like so. It will be named Distorted Film Glow. Okay, you have Film Glow Green Tint and you have Film Glow Blue Tint. I'm going to be using the blue tint. Press on that one, say Continue, and then press Continue again. Depending on the image, you're going to be using a different fuzziness and a different range. I am going to be using a little bit more fuzziness, and the range is going to be a little less. All of the areas that are white will have a glow effect to it. This action does all the work. Isn't that wonderful? And here is the results. Making VHS looks on Photoshop is steps and steps and steps. But with this action, you can make this look come to life within a second. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed one, y'all. Peace.